As a Christian, you are God's unique expression. Ephesians 5 verse 30. For we are members of his body, of his flesh, and of his bones. Jesus didn't just show us God, he showed us ourselves. Remember, the Bible is not just a book of rules, it's a mirror showing you who you really are. 1 John 4 verse 17. As he is, so are we in this world. You are not weak, you're not alone, you're a son, a daughter of God. Romans 6 verse 4. Just as Christ was raised from the dead, we also should walk in newness of life. It's time to see yourself the way God sees you. You are his image. Walk in confidence. Lord, open our eyes to see ourselves as you see us. Amen.